In this video, I'm going to show you how to get NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV in 2025, step by step. If you want every out-of-market Sunday game live on your TV, this guide makes it simple and straightforward. First, make sure you have a YouTube account. If you don't, go to youtube.com and create one. It's free and quick. Next, subscribe to YouTube TV, since NFL Sunday Ticket is available as an add-on through the platform. Once you're signed in and subscribed, open YouTube TV on your browser, mobile app, or smart TV. Navigate to the NFL channel page or search for NFL Sunday Ticket in the app. You'll see options for the standard Sunday Ticket package or the add-on with NFL Red Zone. Click subscribe and follow the prompts. You may be asked to confirm your billing information and select your preferred package. Prices start around $380 for the full season, but if you're a student or military personnel, discounted plans are available. Once your purchase is complete, you can start watching live out-of-market Sunday games immediately. YouTube TV allows streaming on multiple devices, so you can watch on your TV, phone, or tablet, and Red Zone coverage lets you follow all the action without switching channels. That's it. You're ready to enjoy NFL Sunday Ticket on YouTube TV this season. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials on streaming services and sports coverage.